You can use repeated multiplication to simplify quotients of powers with the same base. Expand the numerator and the denominator, then divide out the common factors. For example, 4 to the 5th power divided by 4 to the 3rd power, well, our numerator, 4 to the 5th, can be written as 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, its expanded form, and 4 to the 3rd, our denominator, can be written as 4 times 4 times 4. We can cancel 3 4s from the numerator and the denominator, simplify, and find this equals 4 squared. This example suggests the following property of exponents. Dividing powers with the same base. In words, we can state, to divide powers with the same base, subtract the exponents. Algebraically, this can be represented a to the m power over a to the n power equals a to the m minus n power, where a, of course, is non-zero, and m and n are rational numbers. Some examples. The first one, 2 to the 6th power over 2 squared, equals 2 to the 6 minus 2 power, and that's 2 to the 4th. To the right of that, x to the 4th power over x to the 7th power equals x to the 4 minus 7, and that's x to the negative 3 power, but wanting to write this in simplest form, and that means not having a negative exponent, we write this as 1 over x to the 3rd power. Below, s to the 3/4 power over s to the 1/2 power equals s to the 3/4 minus 1/2 power, achieving the common denominator of 4 so we can subtract these rational exponents. We find s to the 1/4 power. This property supports the definition of 0 as an exponent. For example, simplify x to the 5th over x to the 5th. You can simplify x to the 5th over x to the 5th by dividing, and that equals 1. You can also use the property of dividing powers with the same base to subtract the exponents. X to the 5th over x to the 5th equals x to the 5 minus 5 power, and that's x to the 0 power. Combining these pieces of information, we can see that x to the 0 power equals 1. Problem 1. Dividing algebraic expressions. What is the simplified form of each expression? A, x to the 5/2 over x squared. Well, subtract the denominator's exponent from the numerator's exponent because we have the same base. This will be x to the 5/2 minus 2, and simplify, that's x to the 1/2 power. And b, m squared n to the 4th power over m to the 5th power n cubed. First, let's subtract the exponents of our m factors, so m to the 2 minus 5 and n to the 4 minus 3. Well, this equals m to the negative 3rd power n to the 1st power, and simplifying, rewriting with only positive exponents, we find n over m to the 3rd power. Your turn. Part A. What is the simplified form of the expression y to the 3/4 power over y to the 1/2 power? B. How about the simplified form of the expression d to the 7/2 power over d cubed? C. How about the expression k to the 6th power j squared over kj to the 5th power? D. A to the negative 3 power b to the 7th power over a to the 5th b squared. And part E. What is the simplified form of the expression x to the 4th y to the negative 1 z to the 8th over x to the 4th y to the negative 5 z?